integrate a PDF file to Django project. The front end is Angularjs. Before going to the discussion, this PDF view is work for the heterogeneous devices, mobile handset without downloading the PDF file. Before going over the project, this project, the totally is working the Django project. Django is handling the all stuff, getting the data and files from the end user, reaching into the server. After that, the server is certain tasks in backend. Um, Same way, we are removing the burden for the backend side. We are hand over the traffic, uh, uh, CPU load towards the front end side using the front end framework, using some AngularJS or some popular frameworks. Suppose I'm going this one, existing connectivity endpoints. We are taking the data using the, as for my model, the two informations is available. One is studying of education related book studies. Second one is throughout the journey towards improving the skills required for the certain activities. Skills also need for some returning the nodes. The reference for us later we are go through those things. First, I'm going for the books. What are the studying books? Once the framework is front-end framework is handling fetching the data from the endpoints. Here the all the data is coming from the endpoints. Once I want for the BTech syllabus book, I want details. Here the, after loading the information, this is a syllabus. Uh, at the time of I'm studying this syllabus, I followed. I completed my education. Similarly, I want a certain what are the tasks, syllabus I was finished first. I want to revise the material this certain way, not only particular material. So same way, I am going for the skills at the time after the completion of education, the skills, lab studies, learning certain things. This is my notes. Suppose this is my notes. What I wrote in at the time of learning the certain particular course. This thing it's take time as usually. I want to check some plans regarding uh, building floor plans. I'm going through the floor plans, particular practice of floor, and what are the dimensions need to take from the what are the doors, windows, ventilators, mm, the sizes, the measurements we consider. What are the inches and meter inches, feet, meters wise the measurements. Take the considerations. Mm, Take the what are the areas for the the plan, the 2 BHK or 3 BHK, how many bathroom requirements is needed for the plan. We are checking it. The later we need for 3D models and structural analysis. Certain related documents we are considering as per plan. This type of materials need. This project will be helpful for the reaching certain study improvement. This is one more project. This material, I think I wrote. This is my Java learning course time. This is my notes at the time of when I'm learning. This is my written notebook. Fine. Uh, this way we will take and maintain the documents, document concerns procedure, the maintaining application using the backend as a one framework. The front end is another framework. Both it will be interact with each other based on the scenario. What uh, the framework every someone learning. Based on that, interactions will be happen. Every data will be reaching from the server will be fetch the data. Front-end framework will be showcasing those information such a way that and the interaction procedures will be happen. Fine, I'm concluding this project, the overall interaction mode. Thank you. Goodbye.